Last 10 days before CLAT feels scary for everyone, even for the most prepared students. But this phase isn't about studying more, it's about fixing your mistakes, keeping your mind calm, and getting ready for the exam. Hi everyone, this is Raghav from NLTI, and today we'll talk about what genuinely works in these 10 days and will help you to enter into the exam hall with confidence. Step number 1, switch to maintenance mode. CLAT toppers stop consuming content in the last 10 days. They revise what they already know and they keep fixing their mistakes. Remember, your score grows by reducing mistakes, not by increasing content. Keep your daily schedule light and predictable. Step number 2, make a final 10-day mock plan. Take a mock every alternate day, not every day. Keep your brain light. So what it should look like is take a mock, do a deep analysis, take a light revision and move on to the next mock. What you should focus on is accuracy in legal reasoning, time management in RC plus logical, recall in the GK section and zero panic in the quant section. Remember, this rhythm stabilizes your performance. Step number 3, don't change your strategy or the section order now. Last 10 days are not for experimenting. Pick one order and stay with it. Your brain memorizes the flow. Changing it now will just create chaos. Step number 4, build a 90 minutes GK routine. Remember, GK is not about studying more, it's about retaining what you already know. So let's break down these 90 minutes into 3 parts. Spend 45 minutes on a daily basis on the last 6 months of current affairs. The next 25 minutes on high yield lists like bills, submits, etc. And in the last 15 minutes, do some passage based practice. This keeps your mind fresh without overloading it. Step number 5, don't start reading new books or a new PDF or any new coaching material. It'll just kill your attention, it'll put you under pressure and you will have a lot on your shoulders. Depth beats variety in the final phase. Stay loyal to your coaching material or to the material that you've been reading throughout. Stay loyal to it, stick to it and believe in yourself. Step number 6, patch your weak spots, not the whole syllabus. In the last 10 days, you fix only what hurts you the most. These mistakes can be misreading principal keywords, spending a lot of time on reading comprehension, overthinking in logical reasoning, forgetting important GK themes, panicking in quant after seeing a long set. Remember, attack patterns, not chapters. Step number 7, don't chase 100% coverage in GK. CLAT GK is passage based. You only need to know the themes, not the entire part. These major themes include laws passed, major judgments, government policies, international summits, and economic updates. Stop trying to complete GK, just polish your last 6 months current affairs. Step number 8, practice time discipline. In the last 10 days, train your mind to finish early. Solve 1 to 2 sectional tests on a daily basis. Keep an OMR sheet beside you. Stimulate the exact exam rhythm and attempt the mocks in the exact 4 to 6 p.m. duration. Also try finishing 5 to 7 minutes earlier in these sectional tests as it will provide you with a lot of comfort in the actual exam. Step number 9, don't break sleep or meal routine. Your brain's performance depends on sleep regularity. Less sleep equal to slower reading plus weaker memory plus more mistakes. CLAT is a very comprehensive exam. Fatigue will destroy your score. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night and at least 9 to 10 hours before the actual exam day. Step number 10, build a last 10 days folder. This folder contains your mock mistakes, legal principle trap, most confusing logical patterns, GK 1 pages, plus the quant most important formulas. Revise this folder every night. This is the real rank booster. Step number 11, don't add too many mocks at the last minute. Writing too many mocks in panic will just reduce your accuracy and your revision will suffer. Mock count doesn't matter now, the quality of your analysis does. Step number 12, become emotionally steady. The topper's advantage in the last 10 days isn't about knowledge, it's about control. They avoid comparisons, unnecessary telegram noise and unnecessary coaching pressure. They trust their pattern and stay ready. Remember, stability improves your accuracy more than any new chapter. So to conclude, these last 10 days can improve your score more than the last 3 months if you stay steady, calm and follow these steps. Revise what matters, analyze your mistakes deeply, maintain your calm and trust your preparation. Walk into the exam steady, confident and in control.